Okay, so first of all, we're gonna make the cochinita. We make the marinade by putting on the blender sour orange and all the ingredients that we have, all the spices and the garlic. And then in that marinade, we're gonna put the pork. That's how you prepare cochinita. You put it on the pot. So basically, we're putting it on the pot with all the liquid, because that's going to be boiling and stewing, no, at the same time. Okay. Then we're gonna add red onion. Okay? And then we're gonna cover and put on the oven. Okay, so we put the banana leaf, we cover it, and then we're gonna get it into the oven, or, well, in this case, the wood oven. Hello everybody, this is Chef Alejandra from Mexico Lindo Cooking again. Today we're gonna do something fun. Remember, we're doing recipes that mix either Canadian ingredients into Mexican food or Canadian dishes with Mexican ingredients. So today we had an idea and we're going to make poutine, but with Cochinita Pibil gravy. This is going to be amazing. So let's get ready. First thing, of course, is we need to have our potatoes prepared for the frying process. We put a little bit of paprika and garlic and salt and pepper just to have it with some seasoning. And what we're going to do basically is having very hot oil ready to do the frying and frying our potatoes, no? So, while we're frying our potatoes, we are going to be heating our Cochinita Pibil. We already made that Cochinita Pibil. We have a short video of how to prepare the Cochinita Pibil. We did it at the class. So, we're going to do that. And then we're going to make a roux. So, on the other hand, we have our potatoes. Ending the frying part, we have some of the Cochinita we prepared earlier. Look at this beauty. And the idea is that we are going to prepare a gravy, but instead with the juices of the meat, we're going to use it with the juices of the Cochinita Pibil. So this is just going to be amazing. The roux, that is a mixture between butter and flour, normally gets thicker our gravy. That's what gives a nice thickness. But in this case, we're going to do a Mexican change, and we're going to make a roux with lard or pork fat together with corn flour. And this is going to help us to make our gravy sauce that comes from the uses of the Cochinita Pibil. So come close and check this out. No? We have okay, so we are going to, same process of a roux. We're going to use a little bit of the fat and some corn flour instead of the regular wheat flour. On the other hand, we're heating cheddar cheese. So right now we're heating the cheddar cheese while this is frying. So when our lard melts, we're going to cook our corn flour so we can make a roux, and then in that we're going to add all the juices of the Cochinita Pibil, okay? Come and check this out. We have our lard, and then we are going to be cooking. This is how you make a roux with butter, but we want, in this case, lard, because this is going to help us to get a Mexican roux. And this is a very good liaison agent, or that helps us thickening our salsa. So once we have all this, look, we're gonna start adding to make a gravy. That's simple. And again, we're looking for the nape consistence, that it's checking on the spoon that we got the right thickness. Look, this is slowly cooking. Look. Okay. Okay, look how our gravy is thickening. This is because of the lard together with the corn flour. We are going to slowly cook until we have a nape texture or a gravy texture. You can add also a little bit of broth for pork broth. Okay, nice. On the other hand, we're melting and heating our cheddar cheese. And our potatoes are ready, so we can take them out of the oil. So we have our potato. Oh, okay. We're just going to take the excess. We are going to keep cooking our gravy. Okay, keep cooking for a couple of more minutes until we got the nape texture. The way to know it is that it doesn't get together, so it needs a couple of more minutes, but we will see. You can add a little bit of extra salt. So the idea here is that we are making a gravy with our broth, the broth or the juices that we got from our Cochinita Pibil. We are going to add a little bit of Cochinita Pibil as well, because we cannot lose all this flavor. But we have our potatoes ready, our cheddar cheese, our gravy, and some Cochinita Pibil. Okay? Look at this beautiful texture. Look how, what I was talking about the nape, no? It is a thick salsa. Just 2 more minutes, this will be ready. In the meantime, we can start serving our fried potato. Okay, we are going to be, look how beautiful and thick of our gravy we have. We have our cheddar cheese. And then we're gonna have our cheddar cheese. We are going to add our Pibil gravy. Look. And we are going to add just because we love food, a little bit of the cochinita. This looks amazing. So, because this is Mexican, has cochinita, we have some pickled red onion with habanero that we can put on top. And here we are. We have our Mexican Cochinita Pibil Poutine. Please check it out. It's a very fun recipe. And remember, we're celebrating 80 years of diplomatic relationship between Mexico and Canada. Keep posted for more recipes because we're gonna have fun with more dishes using Canadian ingredients and Mexican ingredients as well. Thank you very much and keep posted. Bye.